Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the size of cells in Google Sheet, both the width and height. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Google Chrome and then search for Google Sheet. Once you've searched for it, you'll land in this kind of interface. So inside here, to change the width of the column, go to top row where the column letters are shown like A, B, and C. Hover over your mouse between any two column letter, and then when your cursor changes to a left-right arrow, you want to go ahead and simply click, hold, and drag left or right to adjust the width. And that's it. You have changed the width of the column. If you'd like to change the height, go to the row number on the left side like 1, 2, 3, and then hover over your mouse between two row number. And when your cursor is changed to up-down arrow, click, hold, and drag up or down to resize the row. And that's how you can quickly change the height and the width of cells in Google Sheet. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.